Welcome to Itu, a city in the state of São Paulo, Brazil, affectionately known as the City of Exaggerations. This nickname stems from its famous oversized landmarks and a rich history that dates back to its founding in 1610. Itu played a significant role in Brazil's history, notably hosting the first Republican Convention in 1873, which contributed to the proclamation of the Republic in 1889. The city's name originates from the Tupi language, meaning big waterfall. Completed in 1780, this colonial-era church is a testament to Itu's historical significance. The interior boasts artwork by José Patricio da Silva Manso and his apprentice, Frei Jesuino do Monte Carmelo. The church houses a French-built pipe organ from 1883, crafted by Aristide Cavaillé-Coll. Giant traffic light. Located near the central square, this massive traffic signal adds to the city's collection of exaggerated objects. The city's reputation for all things large was popularized by comedian Francisco Flaviano de Almeida, known as Simplicio. His humorous tales on television in the 1960s about Itu's exaggerated features captivated audiences and became a cultural hallmark. Giant payphone, orelhão. Standing at 4 meters tall, this oversized payphone is a symbol of the city's playful spirit. Itu seamlessly blends historical depth with whimsical charm. Whether you're marveling at its grandiose landmarks or exploring its rich past, Itu offers a unique experience that lives up to its larger-than-life reputation.